Can you hear that unusual noise from this AC compressor? The AC clutch does not engage. Here comes that unusual noise again. Let's remove the compressor for further inspection. Use a 17mm socket to release the tension of the serpentine belt. Remove the belt. Remove the cooling fan. Unplug the wiring before lifting up the cooling fan. Unplug the AC wiring. The AC is mounted on the engine by 4 bolts. Keep at least 2 bolts on the AC to help removing the remaining bolts. Remove the hose holder bolt. Remove the bolts from the AC lines. Connect negative to the body of the AC. The clutch does not engage. Repeat the same test with the new AC. The new clutch properly engages. Remove the outer clutch. Remember to keep the shim. Remove the clutch body. There's sign of the magnetic coil was overheated. Let's replace the magnetic coil. Remove the old magnetic coil. Install the new magnetic coil. Install the new clutch pulley. I forgot to insert the snap ring and later have to redo this step. Install the new clutch. Reinstall the AC on the car. Reinstall the fan. Recharging the AC. The clutch now engages as it should. Total recharge equals 2 cans of Freon. The AC is now blowing cold air. Condensation on the AC line, good.